I know that disguising cauliflower as things has had its moment, it's come and gone, but for the sake of just eating more plants and a variety of plants, we cauliflower pizza crust. Rice that cauliflower either in a food processor or using a box grater, and then our goal here is to get it as dry as possible. To do this, we're going to roast it for a bit. That's going to help a lot of that steam to evaporate, and then we're going to add it to a towel and squeeze out all the moisture that we can. And at that point, you've basically made cauliflower flour. Combine that with some spices, cheese, and egg, stir it all together, and then shape it into a dough. Now this dough can be made in advance, so you can make this a couple days before your pizza night and then store it in the fridge. When it's pizza time, shape it into a dough, pop it in the oven for a pre-bake. Once that dough is cooked through and nice and firm, go ahead and flip it over and then top it with whatever you want. If you've made it this far, let me know in the comments what your favorite pizza topping is or what you would top this pizza with. My go-to is just a simple sauce with cheese. I like to go with a cheddar and a mozzarella blend. I think it goes without saying that this is an ultra low-carb pizza option in case you're watching your carbs, but it's also just a great way of packing in some more veggies. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!